Ethel Chamomile here. So this is gonna be my first devlog. So the date is 7th May 2020. I'm trying out this new format to make the vlog more interesting to watch. So do tell in the comments if you like it or if you have any suggestions. So this is how the game is so far. You can see the previous progressions and streams I did before. It's a very simple game where you run around in a fixed dungeon beating enemies. Your main objective is to defeat the goblin boss. You can attack, obviously, block incoming attacks for half damage, and heal yourself with limited potions. Each potion will heal half of your lost health, so it's the best to use them when your health is very low to recover as much as possible for each potion. The game currently doesn't have audio and effect, and the game still doesn't restart itself when the player is done, but those will be worked on later. I also did some changes on the code. Previously, I turned the characters around manually using code, but it turned out to be very performance heavy. So I deleted the command that did that and changed the line under on animator move. Other than that, I also adjusted some variables such as turn speed, attack range, small stuff. What I'm gonna do now is I will decorate the dungeon to look more like a mine. The story here is the mine was invaded by goblins overnight when the miners were home. The next morning they came back, the mine was already taken. To do that, I started up Blender. There are some things I'm gonna make, but first thing first, they're gonna be mine supports. So this is me making a single mine support in Blender. Just a simple one without many details. I started from a cube and mirrored it, then started shaping the model. After that, I simply textured it with a plain brown. Next up are boxes. I want more wooden boxes, so I made one from a single cube. But since it's a box, I wanted to be able to put stuff inside, so I made the inside to be hollow. I also created the lid for it in case I want some boxes to be closed. If there's something that represents fantasy medieval mines the most, it's pickaxe. Probably even mines these days. I don't know much about mining. So here I am creating a pickaxe. I imported the base character model a bit as size reference. I also made the metal part to be smooth. However, that was all the stuff I could done given the time. And there are other objects I want to make, such as carts, tables, chairs, oars, torches, and of course the mine entrance. But those will have to wait for tomorrow. For now, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye bye!